This is the secret for crispy, juicy chicken. Here I have 1 kilogram of chicken. Season it with salt to taste, garlic to taste, paprika to taste, turmeric to taste, black pepper to taste, lime to taste, and stir to combine. Tell me how you make chicken in your house. I would love to know your recipe. Now add 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of mayo, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and stir to combine. And before I forget, tell me where you are from so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug is for Ricardo Store from Bahamas. I'm happy to hear you're loving our recipes. In a baking pan, add a drizzle of oil and spread it well with a brush. Then place the chicken. Add 3 potatoes into the bowl where the chicken was placed and stir it with the remaining sauce. Then put the potatoes inside the baking pan between the chicken pieces. Guys, this recipe is incredibly delicious. Make it at home, I'm sure you'll love it. And pour the rest of the sauce over everything. Cover it with aluminum foil and bake it in a preheated oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. After that time, remove the foil and put it back in the oven for another 30 minutes. And our chicken is ready. Look how delicious it is. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.